Today we're gonna bring an outdoor light. This is perfect for your patio. It's a large bell. It comes with it. Everything's here, including the actual power connection. You got ground, you got neutral, and then you got hot. And it's very simple. All you got to do is make sure you line this up. You tie these up with them, and of course they give you everything you need. We're gonna set it up tonight and see how it looks at night. It does have a dusk to dawn sensor here. We're gonna take a look at it and see how it works. Okay, I'm gonna cover the actual sensor. It's daytime today, so you guys can see. I'm gonna cover completely the actual sensor. You have to wait a couple seconds. All right, so let's cover it up. There it is. It's day to night mode. It's daylight today, and I'm gonna remove my hand so you can see that it turns off automatically. It will turn on at night. All right, here we have our light. It's lighting up the entire place here. The light bulb is very strong, very powerful. If you guys can see it, it has a sensor from dusk to dawn, so it will turn on automatically. You could keep it all day, and look how long it sticks out. So this is a large bow, so you do have to have the space for it, but overall it's a beautiful atmosphere it gives out to any kind of environment you put this in. So very simple to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.